Hi everyone, you welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Chef MMN, and on this channel I teach how to make Nigerian food and international food, smoothies and pastries. If this is what you want to learn, please stick to the very end of this video and like this video so others can see it. Today we're going to be making Asun rice. Yeah, this is one of my special Christmas menu recipes, and I want you to try this Christmas and let me know what you think in the comment section. So I'll be using goat meat. This goat meat is already washed, it's clean. I'll go ahead and add salt. After adding salt to my goat meat, I'll go ahead and add onions. Onions help it to cook fast and give it a very nice flavor. I'll go in with my bouillon cube and some blended pepper. Go ahead and mix this up, cover it and allow it to boil. So my goat meat is well cooked, soft. I'll go ahead and fry it. Asun rice recipe is actually supposed to be roasted goat meat, but because I'm recreating this recipe and I want to use the goat broth to cook the rice, it gives it a better flavor and it tastes far more better than the roasted goat meat. So I'll go ahead and fry my onions. So guys, this is a 3-pan dish. This is a 3-pot dish rather, and after frying my goat meat and set it aside, I'll go ahead and fry my onions. After frying the onions and allow it to fry till it releases its flavor into the oil, I'll go ahead and add in my bouillon cube. Then I'm adding curry powder, just a little. If you don't have curry powder, you can use turmeric. Then I go ahead and add my wash roll rice. That's my goat meat broth and some water, just enough to cook your rice properly. So be careful with the quantity of water adding because rice quality too matters. So I'm adding in salt to taste. I'll go ahead and add in bouillon cube and check for the taste, and it's perfectly okay. I'll cover that up and open it and check, and my rice is perfectly cooked. I'll set it aside, and to another pot I'll go ahead and fry my onions. Enough onions to fry my peppers. Asun rice recipe uses basically peppers and no tomatoes, no fresh tomato or tin tomatoes. So I'm using blended tatashe, shombo and scotch bonnet pepper, that's atarudo. So you can get this in any local market. Just bring it together, boil it and blend, and that's perfect for your asun rice. So one of the important things to note is the way I'll fry this peppers, guys. Ensure that you fry this pepper on low heat so that it will not burn. I added a little salt to add to the taste of this pepper sauce. So everything I'm frying here is onions and peppers, tatashe, shombo and atarudo, cayenne pepper, chili pepper and scotch bonnet pepper. You can also add a little habanero pepper to give it more flavor. So I take out time to show you how I fry these peppers. I'm adding a little of the goat meat broth to my pepper sauce. It gives it a perfect taste and makes your Asun rice to come out tasting excellent and very delicious. So my pepper is done fried. I'll go ahead and add in my cooked rice, well seasoned cooked rice. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Kindly join the family by clicking on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Kindly subscribe, join the family. Also like this video so others can see it. This rice is super delicious. Try this out this Christmas and let me know what you think in the comment section. So I'm adding my remaining rice. Go ahead and mix it properly. And then I'm adding my fried goat meat, well seasoned fried goat meat. This recipe is super delicious. Try this out this Christmas and let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm sprinkling some spring onions. You can finish this up with any available vegetable. You can use spring onions, you can also use bell peppers to give it a nice finish. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and to my amazing returning subscribers, I see you all. Thank you for the support. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, we are doing Christmas menu. Bye bye.